In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect Razorpay to your Shopify store. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and all you'll need to make this possible is your Shopify account as well as your Razorpay account. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Shopify dashboard, and from there we can go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on settings. From there, we'll be taken to this general section. However, we want to go down to where it says payments right here. From there, you'll be able to see this option at the top which says payment providers, and we just need to actually first choose a provider. So we're going to go ahead and click choose provider, and then we can go to the search bar and we can start typing in Razorpay to find Razorpay Direct. So once we've found it, we can click on this and we can then go to install Razorpay. From there, it asks us if we want to install it, so we're going to go ahead and install, and from there we get redirected to Razorpay's website. So if you've already got a Razorpay account, you can simply click I'm an existing user, and from there we can then sign in to our account. So when you log into your account, you will need to get a key ID and a key secret. So in order to do that, you can simply sign into your dashboard, then select the test or live mode, and from there we can go to our account and settings, API keys, and then we can generate a key, and then we can enter it in the Razorpay website where it's asking for it. And once you've done that, you will have successfully connected Razorpay to Shopify. So that's how you can connect Razorpay to Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.